Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our subject is math and the class is grade 2. Today our topic is ordering numbers, ascending and descending orders. First of all, we need to know what ascending and descending means. Ascending means going from lowest to highest. Descending means coming from down highest to the lowest step. Ordering means arranging numbers one by one. There are two ways in which we ordering numbers. First one is smallest to biggest and the next one is biggest to smallest. As I said before, ascending means ordering or arranging numbers from the smallest to biggest. For example, here we have some numbers. These are the numbers arranged in ascending order. How? Let's see. So, smallest to the biggest. So, is 3 less than 5? Yes. Is 5 less than 6? Yes. Is 6 less than 8? Yes. And is 8 less than 10? Yes. So we have indeed arranged the numbers here from smallest, which is 3, to the biggest, which is 10. Well, descending means coming down from highest to the lowest step. Here we have some numbers. These are the numbers arranged in descending orders. How? Let's see. In these numbers, is 10 greater than 8? Yes. Is 8 greater than 6? Yes. Is 6 greater than 5? Yes. And is 5 more than 3? Yes. So these are the numbers arranged from biggest to the smallest, that is descending, because numbers are going down. Now I am going to tell you some tricks for ordering numbers. The first trick is count the digits of the numbers. One digit number is smallest than a two-digit number. What does this mean? One digit number is always be smaller or two-digit number no matter what. Take any one-digit number and take any two-digit number. Here we have two numbers, 8 and 15. 8 is one-digit number and 15 is two-digit number. As I said before, that one-digit number is always be smaller. So, even without comparing these numbers or without thinking about these numbers, we can surely say that 8 is smaller than 15. Trick number 2. If a numbers have equal number of digits, then the number whose first digit is more is bigger. For example, if 15 is compared to 28, as we can see that the both numbers have equal number of digits, so look at the first digit of the numbers. First digit here is 1 and first digit here is 2. In number 28, first digit is more than the number 15. Hence, the number 28 is bigger than 15. Trick number 3 is, if the numbers have equal number of digits and their first digits are same, then compare the last digit. For example, here we have a number 18 and 11. In this set, first two digits are same. Here second digit is 8 and here second digit is 1. So we can say that 8 is bigger than 1 and we can surely say that 18 is more than 11. So here we have some numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending orders. We have number 28, 8, 36, 20 and 18. Here we apply our first trick, which is count the number of digits. Here 24, 36, 20 and 18 has 2 digits and 8 has 1 digit. As we know that a 1 digit is always be less than 2 digits. So here 8 is less than these numbers. So 8 will come first. Now remaining numbers have equal numbers of digits. So here we will apply our second trick, which is if a numbers have equal number of digits, then the number whose first digit is more is bigger. Let's check out which number has bigger digit. In number 28, the first digit is 2. Number 36 has 3 as a first digit. Number 20 has 2 as a first digit. And number 18 has 1 as a first digit. Now students, can you tell me which digit is lesser as compared to other digits? Yes, 1. 1 is lower than others. So here we write 18 after 8. Now come to the next. As we can see that 28 and 20 both have equal numbers of digits and their first digits are same. So here we will apply our third trick, which is if the numbers have equal number of digits and their first digits are same, then compare last digit. So here we will apply this trick. Here 28 has 8 as a last digit and 20 has 0 as a last digit. So now students, we can surely say that 0 is less than 8. So first here we write 20, then 28. Now tell me which number is left over? Yes, 36. So here we write 36 after 28. Now here we have some other numbers. We have 3-digit numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending orders. Here we have numbers 139, 135 and 136. Here both numbers have equal numbers of digits and their first two digits are same. Then we should compare their last digits. First number has 9 as a last digit. Second number has 5 as a last digit. And the last number has 6 as a last digit. Now, can you tell me which number is lesser? Yes, 5. So here we write 135. Now compare last two digits of number 139 and 136. In number 139, last digit is 9 and 136, last digit is 6. So can you tell me which number is lesser? Yes, 6 is less than 9. It means we can say that 136 is smaller than 139. I hope you understand how to arrange numbers in ascending orders. Now students, our next step is to arrange numbers in descending orders. As we know that descending means coming down from highest to lowest. So here we have some numbers 412, 439 and 556. Do you remember what was the first trick? Yes, count the numbers of digit. These numbers have equal number of digits. Then we will go to the next trick. That is, the numbers whose first digit is more is the bigger. Yes, let's compare first digits of the numbers. First number has 4 as a first digit. Second number has 3 as a first digit. And third one has 5 as a first digit. Now tell me, which digit is big? Yes, 5. It means a number which has 5 as a first digit is a bigger number, which is 556. Now let's compare remaining two numbers. First number has 4 as a first digit and second number has 3 as a first digit. Now tell me, which digit is bigger? Yes, 4. It means a number which has 4 as a first digit is bigger than other, which is 412. Now which number is left over? Yes, 339. So here we write 339 after 412. I hope you understand how to arrange number in descending and ascending orders. Here I have put some examples and you have to solve them. And after solving these examples, you will be able to do Countdowns book page number 20 and 21 as your homework. Hope you all will do well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.